Hebrew is inspiring, enchanting even, like magic. And in the lessons, we get to see this magic in action.
A student of mine found a picture when her mom was a girl, and behind the picture it was written in Hebrew. So when she were able to read and understand what's written on the back of the picture, she was so emotional. Being a teacher so many years, you get to have some unique and memorable moments to share with your students.
When students finally read words and sentences in Hebrew or communicate in Hebrew, they are surprised. They are surprised by themselves. It's like a revelation.
Everything they learn is like taking place in the real life.
It's so diverse. People come to learn Hebrew from various places in life.
Whatever the reasons are, the beauty is that we can adapt to our students. We can find what is the right path for each student to be able to accompany them. The Hebrew is not only as learning a language, a tool, but it goes through the emotions, through the heart of our students. It's a gift to be able to share it.